Brittany. I've got two SoundCube HD S2s and
use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
yeah, it sounds better with the doors closed.
Nice. I like the style you have. You got your back seats, you got your amp rack on the seat, and everything looks really good. Nice. Do you want me to shut the back or just shut on? Okay. Yes, ma'am. So could you tell me your name? What's in here first? Sorry.
Yeah. I'm Brittany. I've got two SoundCube HD S2s and they're running on Crescendo, 5K. And then I've got some lithium in the back.
Okay.
25 amp hour and 320 amp alternator.
Did you do any SPL tests on it yet?
Not here, no.
Do you know what it does on the meter?
It does about a 147.
Okay. Very nice. Do you know what your tuning is on it? The box?
The box is a 33.
33 hertz. Okay.
Yeah.
Very much. Any other goals on it? Or are you happy with it?
Right now I'm happy with it.
Awesome. Okay.
Can't do too much more. Got a little 5-month-old. So
Okay. You got your back seats. You can pop it up and down for the
Still
showcase.
my daily.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you very much for the demo. Your name again?
Brittany.
Brittany. Thank you, Brittany. Awesome. Thanks for the info. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. for the demo.
Yeah.
That's pretty good for all the space you have as well. Nice.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Any other goals on it, or are you happy with it?
Right now I'm happy with it.
Awesome.
Can't
Okay.
do too much more. Got a little 5-month-old. So
Okay. You got your
still
back seats. You can pop it up and down for the showcase.
Still my daily.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you very much for the demo. Your name again?
Brittany.
Brittany. Thank you, Brittany. Everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.